Hey everyone, today we are diving into a quick and easy guide on how to change the language setting in Qwenlm.ai, a powerful tool and a versatile language model platform. Whether you are a tech enthusiast, a student, or just someone who enjoys exploring new tools, this tutorial will help you get the most out of Qwenlm.ai, no matter which language you prefer to use. So let's get it started. First, head over to Qwenlm.ai website and make sure that you have already logged into your account, and if you haven't, log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will see the main dashboard. Look for the profile icon, which is in top right corner. It's over here. Tap on it. This will open three options for you. There's setting, archive chats, and logout. Now tap on setting icon and this opens the settings section. And over here on the general, you can see three options: theme, language, and notification. What we need over here is languages. Right now it is in English. Tap on the drop down which is just beside the English US. Tap on it. Now you can see a list of available languages. Qwenlm.ai support a wide range of languages including English, Spanish, French, German, Chinese, Japanese, and many more. Take a moment to browse through the list and select the language you prefer. Once you have selected your preferred language, the interface will automatically update to reflect your choice. For example, select Chinese. And as you see, everything from the menu to the buttons will be in Chinese. You can now type your queries in Chinese. Let's see the home screen too. So this is how the home screen look like now. Now you can type your queries in Chinese and Qwenlm.ai will respond accordingly. Let's try it. And you can see Qwenlm.ai responded in Chinese. This is a great tool for anyone who wants to communicate in a language other than English. Whether you are practicing your language skill or simply prefer using a different language. And that's it. Changing the language in Qwenlm.ai is quick and straightforward, and it's opened up a world of possibilities for multilingual users, whether you are using it for a personal or a professional purposes. This feature can make your experience more enjoyable and efficient. So why not give it a try? Head over to Qwenlm.ai, experiment with different language, see how it enhances your workflow. And if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.